There we go, fish! Oh, I lost him. Damn it! Oh, fish on. Thanks. Yeah. Fish on, guys. Holy smokes. So much going on here. Holy cripety. Oh, he came off. How'd he come off? I guess we'll find out when I look at the camera. There we go, fish! Oh, I lost him. Damn it. Nice. It's a nice pig, man. I know, I was watching you. It's a lot tougher than what I have to deal with. When I turned that corner, I was like, holy shit, how is he going to do this?
Careful. You know, and it's like, hey man, I thought them hobies were fast. Oh, you know, I was worried about your line.